Hi there. Welcome to today's video on how to use LinkedIn to improve your job search. With millions of users and countless job opportunities, LinkedIn can be a powerful tool to help you find your next career move. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for optimizing your LinkedIn profile, connecting with recruiters, and making the most of your job search. Let's get started. Section 1: Optimizing your profile. The first step to using LinkedIn in your job search is to create or optimize your profile. This is the first impression that recruiters and hiring managers will have of you, so it's important to make it count. Here are some tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile. A. Have a professional profile picture. Choose a photo that looks professional and approachable. B. Use a clear and concise headline. Your headline should describe your profession or field, and highlight your key skills and achievements. C. Craft a compelling summary. Use this section to showcase your strengths and accomplishments, and explain what sets you apart from other candidates. D. Highlight your work experience. Make sure to include your past job titles, descriptions, and key accomplishments. E. Include relevant skills and endorsements. List out your key skills and ask your connections to endorse you for them. Section 2: Connecting with recruiters. Now that your profile is optimized, it's time to start connecting with recruiters. Here are some tips for making the most of your connections. A. Reach out to recruiters directly. Search for recruiters in your industry and send them a personalized message expressing your interest in their company. B. Join LinkedIn groups. Join groups that are relevant to your field or industry to connect with recruiters and other professionals in your field. C. Attend virtual job fairs. Many companies host virtual job fairs on LinkedIn, giving you the chance to connect with recruiters from the comfort of your own home. Section 3: Making the most of your job search. Finally, here are some tips for making the most of your job search on LinkedIn. A. Use the job search feature. Use LinkedIn's job search feature to search for job openings in your field or industry. B. Customize your job applications. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job you apply for, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. C. Network. Connect with as many professionals as possible and stay active on LinkedIn, commenting on posts and sharing your own insights and experiences. Conclusion. So there you have it, some tips and tricks for using LinkedIn to improve your job search. Remember, LinkedIn is just one tool in your job search arsenal, but it can be a powerful one if used correctly. Keep your profile up to date, connect with recruiters and other professionals in your field, and make the most of your job search. Good luck! If you are enjoying our videos, please support us by liking, subscribing and sharing this video in your network.